Ambithania munene wa koti ya Tigania Kirindine James Macharia na thite Igamba ria Morris Gitonga uria thitangini utuba kwithia mwana wa mwari wa kuruba miaka 15 na Rogero Mwanki rithamwe kuma koti ya Tigania rikathikirwa koti ya Meru kiritwa riawe mugambithani uju augite gutibwe Igamba riu kuthikirwa koti ya Tigania kumania na muthuro juria akari interiu bari na ju iguru regie karikariri akiuga kinya na aringirithimu ni namba ngeni ati kumenya akiuga ari na ma iriuma na Igamba riri untu akwathira nibu gwikirwo gwati na uturo bwawe na ndugu ya koti na aturi batigania John Thika na Chionkuruke.
Igamba ria kari gukuru miaka 15 ria rigitwe rikithikagirwa koti-ini cia Tigania ntere cia Kirindine indi muthenya gwe muthiro mbite kwigwa rigichenjwo kuma koti-ini na kwira koti-ini cia Meru na ari wa muri kumania na mugambithana munene wa koti ino nwe James Macharia na aranenkanirite itumi bithatu bira bitemete Igamba richenjwa kuma koti-ini ino kwira ntere cia Meru.
It has subsequently become very clear to this court that this criminal trial will be practically impossible to happen in this locality of Tigania due to the kind of the hostility and the public anger that has been emanated. It is clear after we argued the issue of board, so many things have really happened on this matter. Firstly, it is very clear that there is a lot of public anger and hostility regarding the case as expressed in various social media platforms. As such, the environment here is not only volatile, but it's not safe, not only for myself and also the DPP. I have expressed the same sentiments. It is not safe for the trial to happen in this locality, according to the view of this court. Secondly, the DPP and myself have fears of our personal safety and I know that the safety of this court infrastructure. Some sentiments have been expressed on the issue of the court infrastructure. The atmosphere is hostile. Thirdly, we have been traumatized by the various happenings, and I wish to state that I've received various stage calls regarding e-based through stage numbers, which I can only relate to this matter.
Nara Macharia kagitani wakuwite muthuganirwo ura kwetanirwo na mantu amwe Morris Gitonga wana no akathi na mbere na kurigirwa njera ya tuntu ntere cia Meru nara kuthikirwa kwa Igamba riake wewe na batirite kuga kirekerwo na mbundi kana riri kathikirwa tariki 17 cia mweri wa 11 mwaka uyu.
On the principle of fairness and accountability and transparency under Article 10 of the Constitution and due to the safety concerns, I direct that this matter be heard before a different locality other than Tigania. Intelligence reports have also raised issues, alarming reports regarding our safety. As such, this file is hereby transferred to the Chief Magistrate Court at Meru for further directions on the issue of board and also on trial.
It shall be remanded in GK prison there, not here, because the trial is. So, Dr. Kageta, don't take my person, our people there, our person there, is in Meru GK prison from now onwards.
Kiripota ndo cia weru kuma koti-ini cia Tigania ntere cia Kirindine mbita wa John Thiga.